This is not just your average selfie stick from PodTog. This thing is one of the longest selfie sticks I've ever seen. It's also pretty lightweight, but very strong. Perfect for your action cameras, GoPro, Ace Pro, Action 6, even your 360 cameras, even your phone. It does come with action fingers on the top, which is great if you don't want to worry about it like untwisting. So you can use either the action fingers or you can use their adapter that goes to quarter thread and use anything with quarter thread. So you have 4 sections to extend, and it does come with a little tripod that you can screw onto the bottom just to let it stand up. So it can go as low as that right there, or extend all the way up, getting those impossibly high shots that you can never get with anything else other than like a drone. Great if you're in a crowded environment and you need to get up above everyone else. Great if you're, skiing or snowboarding and you want that far away shot, making it look like a drone is following you. Or great if you just really need that high shot. This thing is actually really nice. It also has this foam grip down here, making it very simple to hold. Just like it's effortlessly to hold. You also do have a wrist strap there, so you can attach that around your wrist as you're holding it. So if you're, sticking this out really far, maybe over a cliffside, you don't have to worry about it falling because you got that wrist strap as a safety mechanism. So it works really, really good. And check out some of these shots I got, like just getting up higher up into the ceiling and you could look over your roof. Maybe if you're just wanting to see, hey, is that a bird's nest up there? And you can go extend up really high up into a tree and have a quick peek. Yeah, this is great for all of that. So great for action junkies, great for travelers because it is lightweight and will fit in your suitcase. And great for anyone just creating content and they just want to easily, set up their camera at about their height. Let it sit there and, talk to it just like this. So a lot of options for you, and I really like it a lot. I think PodTog knocked it out of the park with this one. I've seen a lot of selfie sticks, and I think that PodTog really knocked it out of the park with this one. Very long selfie pole, but also strong, so it doesn't have a lot of like bend and flex to it. It will a little bit at full length. I mean, just a little bit, but not much, not enough to really mess up any GoPros with all the stabilization already built into them. So you're gonna love it. Get some impossible shots. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.